Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of onion farming and winter. Stick around as we share essential tips for growing these kitchen staples in the chilly months, whether you're a seasoned grower or just curious about the process. Did you know onions thrive in cool weather? Winter provides the ideal climate for these hardy plants. The cool temperature helps develop strong roots and robust bulbs while also reducing pest issues. The result? A slower, more flavorful growth with a longer shelf life. Start by loosening the soil about 6 to 8 inches deep and mix in compost or well-rotted manure. Onions prefer sandy loam soil with a great drainage, so make sure there's no water locking. Check your soil's pH. It should be between 6 and 7.5 for the best result. For winter, select short day varieties like Red Creole, Texas Early Grano, or White Bermuda. These varieties are designed to thrive in cooler temperatures and shorter daylight hours, giving you a great harvest come spring. Plant onions set about 1 inch deep and 4 to 6 inches apart with a pointed end facing up. Make sure to space the roots 12 to 18 inches apart to give them plenty of room to grow. And don't forget, onions love sunlight, so pick a sunny spot. Onions in winter are fairly low maintenance. Just water them sparingly. Too much water can cause rotting. Use mulch to retain moisture and protect the roots from frost. And watch out for pests like thrips. If needed, go for organic pest control. After 3 to 4 months, when the tops yellow and fall over, it's harvest time. Gently pull the onions out and let them cure in the sun for a few days. Curing is a key to a longer shelf life. Store your onions in a cool, dry, and well ventilated place, and you'll have fresh onions for months. And that's all there is to winter onion farming. From soil prep to harvesting, it's a rewarding process with amazing results. Whether you're growing for profit or for fun, winter onions will add the extra flavor to your life. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Discover Agriculture, and ring the bell for more farm fresh tips and tricks.